Dr. Chaos! A polar bear! My favorite animal.
Oh boy! I was hoping we would see one on our Arctic visit. What a marvelous creature! Did you know polar bears take baths by rolling around in the snow?
Sure did, Doc. But did you know that polar bears are actually considered marine animals?
Really? But they're bears, not whales or dolphins!
They're the only bears that depend on the ocean ecosystem to survive. They spend most of their life on sea ice and need the sea for their food and habitat.
So, they're more like sea bears!
Actually, their scientific name, Ursus maritimus, means sea bear.
I just love looking at their white fur!
Well, believe it or not, they're not actually white.
Ludicrous! They're white as the snow they sleep on!
Nuh-uh. Their skin is black, and their hair is hollow and transparent, or see-through.
So why do they look white?
Their hollow hair reflects light, making it look white. It's the same reason snow looks white.
Fascinating!
Oh, also, polar bears touch noses to ask to share food. How adorable, am I right?
Quite right! Adorable indeed!
Unfortunately, scientists say the loss of sea ice affects polar bears' ability to find food. Polar bears feed on ringed seals that live at the ice edge. But with temperatures in the Arctic rising twice as fast as the global average, the sea ice cover is melting away.
Well, I'm glad to see this guy was able to find his dinner. Speaking of, let's go find a snack.
Hurry